And that is why this whole thing is sometimes so difficult for people to get into. And it's really the reason I started Design Suite, because I saw, you guys know, most of you know that Design Suite's 1 year long. There's a reason for that. Graphic design school, 4 years long, right? Um, Getting experience, a solid 4 to 5 years after that. So there's like a 9 year span where people will get design training, and then they'll get in and they'll get into 4 to 5 years of experience as a designer. And that really solidifies you in the design field. It's really like an 8 to 10 year period, okay, to make it happen. I know that certainly was the case for me, and I even went to extra schooling since I have a PhD in design. But I am here to tell you that it takes a minimum of 1 year just to break together like that educational piece to make sure that you're doing the right things in design, like your actual design work is good. And the second piece to that is making sure that you are getting the right experience and doing the right things, the right efforts to make it work.